Hello, my name is Marisela and I am going to talk today about the three new inventions in astronomy. I chose this topic because it's one of my favorite ones and I would like to share it with you guys about it. Okay, then we can say that today astronomy is evolving with advanced technology. New inventions help scientists study the universe more accurately. And today, for this moment, we are going to talk about three new inventions that from like the last 2 years are helping the humanity to explore the universe in all the movements and in all the things that are happening there. Then the first invention that we are going to talk today is about the James Webb Space Telescope. This telescope is more advanced than the normal ones that we have today. Then it was launching in 2021 and this is the successor from the Hubble Space Telescope that we know that it is a good telescope too and has like a lot of potence, but even this has more resolution and help to capture images of galaxies, stars, and planets. This one uses infrared light to see through the cosmic dust. In this imaging that we have here, we can see how like the resolution is changing, like from the colors and the movements. And we know that this telescope works with all the small lights that they take and they take it, and after that they just put everything together in the same imagine. That is like how this telescope works. The importance of this telescope is that help discover early galaxies after the Big Bang, study explored atmosphere, and that way we can see it that is light that from right now that we don't have that certainty that it is more like humans or more like life in other planets, and that can help to scientists to clearly view the universe origins. I like this imagine that because we can see like how looks the telescope and how like is working right now. Okay, and in this imagine I put two like how the telescope pictures like the images from like the stars and other things in the universe. Okay, second inventions. The Vera Robot Observatory. This is like a new observatory that we have right now. It's in Chile, then it's new to us, we can say that. It is working in the operation, okay? The design for the sky surveys and discovering dark matters captures 20 terabytes of data per night. Everybody is just asking maybe right now, like why in Chile we had a lot of observatories, and I have the opportunity to be over there, and how in Chile we have the bigger desert in the world, then it is easy just to get darkness. Then for these observatories, it is important that we don't have a lot of lines around. They have like numbers like 100 kilometers, something like that, depends on in the position that they are going to put like the telescoping. Then in this desert, that is easy to do it because it is not light there. Even like it is not a lot of animals over there because the changes of the temperatures is crazy because in the day we can get like a weather, but at night it is going to be cold. Then that way it is not easy to have light over there. And if it is not people around and it is not nothing around, then it is just easy to have an observability according to the condition and in a good way. And look how like we can see the galaxy over here and it is beautiful and cute. Okay, what make it special? I already said it before, but this is like some point that I try to put it here too. Can detect small objects like near. We can just check asteroids, and that way we can use prevent or maybe destroying them on time. It creates a 3D map of the universe, like we can see here. He is just pointing some parts of the sky, and it is just doing a map. Then it's amazing too. And look how the mirror looks. Then even they can return the light from the sun. It is amazing. He is just working in that way. Okay, and the three invention, I say is going to be three, is the Breakthrough Listen project. This is in South Africa. That is good too because we have some desert over there too. For that reason, is putting in this location. This is more focusing on something that for me is crazy, just to make it or just to find it that it is extraterrestrial life. Then we are waiting, or we are waiting, no, we are looking here for find some ovnis or some like peoples in other planets, but more focus in machines, not like human peoples like the first one. Then it use powerful radars telescope to scan space signals, cover more sky and frequently than previous project, and searching for intelligent signals from other civilizations. Then this is the way how it looks. It looks good too, has a good potential, and I think it's going to be we can say a good inventions. Not right now, but for the future, it's going to work good. It is important because we are going to find alien life, increase the understanding of the cosmic and radio signals. This is more like radio signals, it's more in a different way, and encouraging international collaborations in space science. Conclusion: astronomy is growing rapidly with new technology. We can say this is the one of the areas that we have more development right now. Even in Colombia, we have like a university who has like astronomy, like a career, like a professional career. Then we have one here in Medellin that is Antioquia University. Then I think for the future we are good for like to just uh, do more technology and maybe just to find new things in the space. The three inventions that I mentioned right now, some of them are still in development, but some of them are working right now. This invention help answer big questions about space, life, and future. Then thank you so much. I know I took more time, but this is like really a topic that I like, and I was just explain everything. Thank you.